something else said.
Oh.
I still ain't bloody say it right.
Did you have a blowjob?
Hello, Carrie.
No, not yet. No, Jesse came knocking on the door and wanted her stuff, so.
But you go give him a blowjob. And he did nothing to you.
Nothing. No, I'm not going in.
Well, he didn't say so, did he? Obviously, but when you just said that, so that's wrong, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get the belly bit going, like a fish.
And it's really like